Hi there, students. To exult with a U, not with an A. To rejoice, to be really, really happy. To be exultant. Yeah, I was exultant when I discovered I'd passed my exam. Yeah, I was really happy. I was full of exultation. Great joy at success or victory, rapturous delight, triumph. So, to exult at something. I exulted at the happiness I saw in my friend's eye. So to exult at, to feel great happiness due to someone or something. To exult in, to feel great happiness due to something. So I exulted in the victory. I exulted at the victory. I exulted in the victory. I exulted over the victory. Yeah, I'm still exulting over the success. Notice, exult with an A, not exult with a U. Exalt, not exult. To exalt means to make somebody very important. To treat somebody as to glorify someone, to praise his exalted majesty. No, exult. The sound is different. They're close, but they're different. So exult, to rejoice, to be really happy. I was exultant when I learnt that my wife was pregnant. He was exultant about his team's win. Yeah, I was cock-a-hoop exultant. I was elated exultant. I was over the moon. Yeah, it was brilliant. So to exult, to express great pleasure, great happiness. They exulted at their victory. She exults in the power that she has. To be really happy at your success, or perhaps at your enemy's failure as well. A bit of Schadenfreude there. So, exultant, yeah, the adjective. I was exultant about the news. Yeah, I felt great exultation, the noun, exultation. The great pleasure, happiness, yeah? Happiness at your success or your enemy, someone else's failure. The team scored and the crowd let out the exultant crowd let out an exultant cheer. They were jubilant. They were really, really happy. Yeah. So to feel jubilation, to feel really good, to feel elated and triumphant. I exulted in the success that I'd had. To feel great pleasure, to feel great delight, great joy. Yeah, to jump for joy. So to exult, to be extremely happy, to rejoice. I was rejoicing, I was exulting. Exultation. Yeah, being exultant, being really happy. The exultant fans let out exultant cheers. Yeah, they cheered exultantly. They were jubilant. They were full of joy. They were full of triumph. They were really happy about it. You exult in your triumph. You exult in your success. Yeah, you show great happiness and pleasure because of it. Okay, so to triumph, to glory. I feel great about it. Okay, so let's see, to exult, exultation, exultant. 6.5 informality. I think 6.5 informality. It sounds a little bit formal, it sounds a little bit literary, used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And as to origin, well, we've got a French word, exulter, from Latin exulto, from ex salio, to jump out, to leap out, to leap up, to jump up. Yeah, yeah! And that's the idea of being exultant. You spring vigorously, you jump up, and therefore you rejoice, you're happy about it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I will be exultant. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Exult, exultant, exulted. He exulted in it. Exultation.